Hello, I'm Kent, and I have over 15 years of experience in the pool industry. Do you ever find yourself staring at a bottle of pool chemicals like, do I use a scoop, half, the whole thing? Well, let's break it down. With liquid chlorine or shock, use about 1 gallon for every 10,000 gallons of pool water. For granules, usually 1 pound treats 10,000 gallons. But don't just toss it in. Pre-dissolve in a bucket and then pour it around the pool. Tabs are slow release. One 3-inch puck lasts a few days and treats about 5,000 to 10,000 gallons. Pop them in a floater or a feeder and not straight into the pool. When adding stabilizer, you need about 1 pound to raise cyanuric acid by 12 parts per million in 10,000 gallons of water if you're using a granule form. However, in today's day and age, it also comes pre-diluted in a 1 gallon form. This is much easier to apply than the granules are, and 1 gallon is worth about 3 pounds of cyanuric acid. If your pH is low, you'll use a pH increaser, usually sodium carbonate, and start with about 6 ounces per 10,000 gallons to raise pH by 0.2. Always add it with the pump running. To lower pH, use muriatic acid or a dry acid product. Usually around 16 ounces of liquid acid will drop pH by 0.3 to 0.5 in a 10,000 gallon pool. But it depends on your alkalinity as well, so test it first. For low alkalinity, go with an alkalinity increaser, usually sodium bicarbonate. Start with 1.5 pounds per 10,000 gallons to raise it by 10 parts per million and add slowly across the surface. If you need to raise your hardness, 1 pound of calcium increaser adds about 10 parts per million in 10,000 gallons. And an ideal range depends on your pool type. Also remember to dilute this beforehand and it tends to heat up. Always check how many gallons your pool holds. Read the label and go small at first, but you can always go back and add more, but you can't take it back. From install to maintenance, we're covering it all. Follow along to keep learning and find us on YouTube for full-length tutorials, pro tips, and more. Thanks for watching.